Hi, my name is Sonny. I'm a practice leader in Civic from Monday to Friday. On the weekends, I dress up with my overalls and my straw hat, and I take care of baby plants. That's what we're gonna do today. We're gonna do a garden bed. With me, I have 3 assistants. The first one is
Monsieur. This is Sarah. We're from Frederick Street.
from Frederick, yeah?
And I'm Summer from Frederick Street.
Okay. The girls will be helping me today, and they will be bringing now some of the things that we need to put a garden bed together. Okay. What is the first thing? Thank you. Excellent. So the first thing, and this is really important, is to have some protective equipment. We need gloves, and we will also need a small spade to work. The second thing that we need, what is it? The second thing that we need is a mat to stop the grass to grow back into the garden bed. The mat looks like this. There are different ones. This is one of them. Okay? The third thing we need, what is it? We need soil. Soil is very important because soil has all the nutrients for the plants to grow in and also for the roots to spread. Here it is. We will need quite a few of these bags depending on how big the garden bed is. The next thing that we need, what is it? The next thing is cow manure. Cow manure is cow poop. Cow manure will help the plants to grow. It brings more and more nutrients to the plants, and it will produce bigger and nicer fruit. For example, really nice tomatoes. The last thing, oh no, it's not the last thing. What is it, the next thing? The next thing is organic compost. Compost can be done at home by recycling food scraps and grass clippings, or you can buy a bag like this one. And what are the next things we have? We have a container, but it's not ice cream, even though it looks like ice cream. This is crushed rocks. Crushed rocks and other minerals that will help the plants
To grow.
growing better. What is that one? What is it? That's sugarcane mulch. That will help the soil to have air and for the roots to grow faster, as well as you can put it on the top of the garden bed, and that will protect the soil from the sun. There is one more thing, and this is one of the most important things, the actual garden bed. Then we have this one made out of timber. Okay, there are different models, it just depends on what you want. So buy everything before you start. So the first step is to choose a sunny spot for your garden bed and put it there.
The second step is to put the mat in the garden bed.
So the next step after having the garden bed position and the weed mat on the ground is to start filling the garden bed. We're gonna do a lasagna style garden bed, which means that we'll have different layers with different elements, so we have enough nutrients for the plants. The first layer that we're putting in here is just normal soil. Michelle, can you put the soil in the garden bed?
Yeah.
It's soil or potting mix or garden soil. Sometimes it's even better if you have a big garden bed. If you have a big garden bed, sometimes you can get a truckload of soil, and that way it's a bit cheaper. Sama, can you spread it for us? After we do the first layer of the lasagna, we will be putting cow manure. Okay? Sarah, can you help us to put some cow manure? Wow, it's a big, heavy bag. Okay? All over, all over. Oh, smells delicious. Okay, the next step after the cow manure, some people know it as cow poop, is to put some straw in the garden bed. This will bring carbon, which is a very important nutrient for the plants, and it will also create air and space for worms and other insects to live in the garden bed. Okay, let's go ahead. Thank you. That will do.
This is compost.
Okay. So the next step after putting the straw on this lasagna is to put some of the crushed rocks, and we also have some water-saving crystals in this mix. So we spread some of them, and after the layer of crushed rocks,
It's compost.
we will put some compost. Go ahead.
Go ahead.
Whoopsie daisy.
Whoopsie daisy! It's a bit heavy, isn't it?
I've got this now.
You got it. Go for it. Yeah. After we put a lot of layers of different things in our garden bed lasagna, the garden bed lasagna is ready to go in the oven. And the last thing we have to do, instead of putting cheese on top, we're gonna put straw
Cheese on it.
on top.
It's good, I
Okay?
like straw.
It's really important to cover all the garden bed with straw. So go ahead, put some straw in it, and this we need to let it rest for about 1 week. Only 1 week resting before we can put the little seedlings in it. That's how you make a garden bed. And don't forget to smile. Stay safe, everybody.
Wow.